to Nashville, where there's plenty to do and to see. Come with me as we explore some of the amazing Instagram-worthy backdrops in Nashville. I'm your host, LaTonya Martin, with The American Dream. Nice to meet you.
Hi, LaTonya. Great to meet you, too. Welcome to Photo Walk Nashville.
I'm excited.
I'm excited, too. Can't wait to have you experience this photo shoot tour. So you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, come on, let's go.
Okay. So, Christy, tell me what we're going to experience on our photo tour today.
So Photo Walk Nashville is a very unique photo shoot experience where it's not just a photo shoot, but it's also a little mix of an insider tour.
Okay.
So we're gonna be taking your pictures, of course, giving you posing ideas, direction, and then also showing you around this unique neighborhood called the Gulch and telling you all the best spots, the best food, the best places to get drinks, all of that as we go along. Sound good?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
So, Christy, how did you get started?
Well, I had the idea of combining a photo shoot and a tour in one because I started seeing all these tourists out here with nobody to take their picture.
Yes.
And I know for myself, when I go and travel, I want somebody to take my pictures for me, you know,
Yes.
who's gonna take them. And so I thought, what if I provided that as a photographer?
Wow.
And so I started it 7 years ago, and it's just been so much fun since then.
It's amazing. I'm so
you.
excited. It's been such a great experience so far, so I'm excited for more.
All right, so LaTonya, we're here in the Gulch. Now, this is one of my favorite neighborhoods in Nashville. There's some great shopping, great dining, great places to just have a drink, enjoy yourself, even just sit out and enjoy nature. So I'm gonna show you all around this neighborhood as we go along, but we're here at the Wings. Now, usually there is a little bit of a line. Sometimes you have to wait in line, but it's because it's one of the most iconic murals in Nashville. Now, the artist, her name is Kelsey Montague.
Okay.
She's a friend of mine. She's an incredible
wow.
artist. She was commissioned by Taylor Swift to do a special set of wings just for the debut of the song Me. So that
Wow.
happened here in the Gulch in the year 2018. But we're here at the Wings. Now, one of the things you'll notice as we get closer to the Wings is all the little elements of Nashville inside of it.
Oh, wow.
So you'll spot some music notes, some guitars, cowboy hat, maybe even some boots, things like that. So one of the things as we go around here, you can really just enjoy that mural and take a good look at it. And then we're gonna get your picture in front of it.
Yay, I'm excited. This place is so cute.
Isn't it cute? This
Yes.
is Kittenish,
Okay.
and it's one of those cute stores I was telling you about
Yes.
in the Gulch. So you'll have to come back here and shop, but we're gonna get pictures at their adorable photo ops.
Okay, let's do it.
So LaTonya, this is Nova Park.
Okay.
It's just a beautiful green space. We've got our Zen fountain over here. They're usually playing jazz music. It's really peaceful,
Oh,
nice,
wow.
relaxing space. There's a coffee shop right there. You've got
Okay.
Sunday Club. You can get a sweet treat. Come out here and enjoy. A lot of people come here on their lunch breaks to just have fun and relax. But I like to take pictures here too.
Okay.
And then also you've got Face Foundry right there. So if you want to treat yourself, that's a Nashville-based and owned a business too for facials. So there's so much right in this little area to do here too.
Wow, I never even knew this mural existed.
This is the same artist as the Wings, Kelsey Montague.
Okay.
And she put this one on the back of the W. So there's usually never a line for this because that's why you gotta come on Photo Walk, because we know where the best spots are.
Chrissy, thank you. I've had so much fun. If you're here local to Nashville or visiting Nashville, don't forget to check out Photo Walk Nashville. So much fun. I'm your host of The American Dream, LaTonya Martin, and this is Selling Nashville.